Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing great. So if you guys have been following this channel for a while, you all would know that no matter what time of the year it is, you will always see me coming up with DIYs, whether it's the festive season, whether it's the holiday season. So with the holiday season and Christmas just around the corner, I have come up with 4 DIYs for you guys which are totally recyclable, meaning that you don't necessarily have to have these DIYs around your house just during the holiday and Christmas season, but you can place these DIYs around your house round the year. You just have to switch up the things here and there a little bit, and you don't have to worry about switching up the decorations at your home every now and then. Now, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and you've also hit the notification bell right next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to connect with me on all my social media accounts, and yeah, let's get started. For this one, we'll need 2 wine glasses like these. You can also choose champagne glasses if you like. And next, we'll need a green glitter foam sheet like this. These are easily available in craft stores. You can also use powder glitter on a paper in case you don't find these sheets. Trace 2 circles wider than the circumference of the glasses for the base on the sheet and cut them out. And this is how the placement of the circles and glasses will be. Next, we'll need a bunch of these Christmas ornaments. These are again easily available at craft stores. Fill up your glasses with these ornament balls and glue these 2 circles on the top after inverting them like this. You can use any glue of your choice. I'm using white glue to stick everything in place. For the base, I'm reusing the base I made in one of my older Diwali DIY videos. If you want to see a tutorial on how I made this, you can tap the link on the top right corner of the screen right now, and you'll also find it in the description box below. Using glue, paste the 2 glasses on the base like this, and here's a close-up on how it looks at this stage. Take a red ribbon an inch wide and tie it at the stem of the glass, forming a bow. Repeat the same on the other glass as well, and we'll now add a few embellishments to fill up the spaces. Flowers, Christmas ornaments, bells, tiny gifts, pine cones, go crazy with it. I'm placing them randomly on the base and shall glue them in place once I'm happy with how it looks overall. For the final touch, I'm taking a scented candle with some lace glued around it for some festive touch, and I'll place these on the top over here, and there you go. Our beautiful Christmas decor is ready with minimal effort. Looks so pretty, and the best part is it's DIY'd. The greens, reds and golds complement each other so beautifully to bring out the Christmas vibe of this decor, and this would look gorgeous on your center tables or even for amping up the corners of your room. For the next one, we'll need a potato cut in half this way. You can use the other half in your kitchen since we only need one of these pieces. I'll trace a tiny Christmas tree on it. You can choose any other design as you please. Grab a paper cutter to scoop the design out. Just be careful while you're doing it. Ask an adult for help if needed. I hope you guys can see the shape I've cut out, and now I'll cut out the sides of the stencil to have a DIY stamp ready. I'll repeat myself guys, be very careful while doing it, don't cut yourself. To make a beautiful customized wrapping paper, I had this brown sheet lying around which I'll be working with. We'll use the stencil we made to decorate the wrapping paper, and I'll use the Camel Fabrica acrylic paint in the shade Sap Green for this project. It's a beautiful forest green shade, totally apt for Christmas themed gifts. Grab your DIY stamp and put some paint on it with the help of a brush, or you can dip it directly in the paint if that's more convenient for you. Use the potato to stamp the impression onto the wrapping paper one by one, and you'll have a super pretty customized wrapping paper ready in no time. If you want to customize it even more, you can also stamp the initials of the person you want to gift it to. I also had this cushion cover lying around and I decided to use the same stamp to print white trees on it as well. And this is the final reveal of our present using the same wrapping paper. I've added a really nice touch of this very raw Merry Christmas tag and attached it with a jute twine, and it looks so cute. And not forgetting our super cute Christmas cushion cover as well. It was so easy to make but looks extremely cute and is super budget friendly as well. To start off, we need a red glitter foam sheet for this. Cut out a strip measuring approximately an inch in width like this. Cut it in half and roll it this way to form a cylindrical shape. Once you're happy with the size, stick it together using cello tape. You'll be able to see the taping here, but you can also use glue if you like. Next, cut out a circle by tracing the circumference of your wine glass. Yes, we're using wine glasses for this DIY as well. Stick the cylinder on top of this circle with the help of glue and you'll have a hat with its top open. Using the same foam sheet, cut out another circle to seal the top as well, and I'll again use white glue to give a final touch to the hat. With that done, this is what the hat for our snowman will look like. Grab a wine glass and fill it with sugar crystals. You can also use salt to fill up the glass. We just need anything white to fill in since it's obviously a snowman. Stick the hat to the top and use a marker to draw eyes, brows, and lips for the snowman. Next, we need a red ribbon to tie a bow around the neck of our white gentleman. For a cuter touch, you can slide in a bell onto the ribbon as well. Cut out a tiny orange triangle and using clear tape, give a nose to the snowman, and this is how it should look. I'll use a jute twine to tie around the hat of the snowman for a little more detail, and voila! This is my favorite DIY among all, and it's so cute. I've also made one with a green hat to keep up with the Christmas theme, and I just can't stop looking at these cutesies. They're so adorable. Is Christmas ever complete without a gnome? To make these tiny little gnome ornaments, we'll need a white pom-pom like this. I've already showed how to DIY a pom-pom using wool in my DIY planter video, so I'll just attach a clip of the same here. If you, however, want a detailed tutorial of this, you can check that video out. Link is in the description and in the I button on the top right side of the screen right now. Next, we need some red and green pastel sheets. Cut out a section of this size and another tiny bit like this from it. Roll it to form a cone like this and use clear tape to keep it in place. And you should have something like this. To make it a hat, we need to cut out this portion and our hat for the gnome is ready. For decorating the top, use a white pom-pom, or if you can't find one, roll some cotton into a ball and it'll work just as well. Using glue, place it on the top of the hat like so. Just hold it for a few seconds and it should stay in place. Once that's done, we'll decorate the hat. I'll use this silver pen for the job to draw snowflakes onto it, and that's what we have. Now all that's remaining is to glue everything together. So we take the wool pom-pom and glue the hat on top this way. For the finishing touch, I'll take a white bead for the nose and glue it right under the hat. Attach a thread at the back using tape and your gnome ornament is ready. Hang these around your Christmas tree and they make for such adorable little decorations. I can't get enough of this DIY. Again, I've made both red and green ones here, and if you add some fairy lights to your tree as well, it would look so pretty. And let me know in the comments if you guys love these as much as I do. And that was all I had for this week's video for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your comments down below if you guys want me to make more such videos for you. Also, let me know what kind of content you guys want to see more of, DIYs, fashion, lifestyle. You guys tell me. And I'll see you soon. Bye.